This video is a step-by-step guide on how to set up the Zoom recorder, how to attach the device to the tripod, how to record, detailing the mark and hold features, and how to extract the audio onto the provided laptop. First, you want to grab the Zoom recorder and tripod from the box. This is the Zoom recorder, and this is the tripod. First, you want to open the Zoom recorder box, just like this. The first step is to make sure that there is a microSD card in the device. So to do that, go on this side of the device, open the flap, and make sure that there's a microSD card in there. You also want to make sure that there is enough power in the device for any interviews that you may conduct. The level of power is represented by the battery symbol in the top right of the display screen. Now that the device is powered on, has a microSD card in it, and has enough battery, in order to get a clear sound, you must attach it to the provided tripod. On the bottom of the tripod, there are two legs that need to be outstretched. So pull them apart carefully, but with force. And all legs will be outstretched. Once the legs are outstretched, take the recorder and line up these and screw on the recorder like this. Make sure to hold the tripod while you're screwing the recorder on, and you can also move the recorder by pressing in these red buttons. The recorder's mics should always be facing away from you. Once you are done using the device and the tripod, go back to this and untighten it while holding the recorder so you don't drop it, and it comes off just like that. To begin recording on the device, press the big red button in the middle of the device and it will start recording. To stop recording, press the button to the left of it in the upper left and it will stop the recording. To hear the audio that you just captured, press this button above the red button and it will automatically play the audio file that you just created. While you are recording, you can use the hold feature. To activate the hold feature, you just move the switch up, and while you are recording, any inputs that you make on the device will not work. To mark an important part of your recording that you would like to visit later, use the marker feature. It's right next to the trash can at the top. This will create a mark in your recording that you can visit later. So once you can see the mark by the line. Next, we'll be moving to how to extract the audio that you have recorded onto a laptop. So first, you want to relocate the flap where the microSD card is and get it out of the device. You'll have to push inward to get it to come out. Then you will take the microSD card that you got from the device and plug it into the computer. It will be on the side labeled SD. You want to put the side with the words on it in like that. Make sure you hear it click, and then it will be ready. To access the recordings that you have on the device, go to the File Explorer, which is the yellow folder, and then at the bottom left, you will see Zoom_H1E, and you will click that, and then this is where all of your sound files are going to be stored. So for example, if we use this one, if this pops up, make sure to choose a VLC media player. Loads. And then this will be the audio file that you have recorded. Once you are finished with the microSD card and all of its recordings, go to the side, press microSD card in until it disengages, and then pull it out. And then you can reinsert it back into the recorder. To put the microSD card back in the device, you just open up the flap, and then you insert the microSD card with the words facing up. You want to hear it click, and then you can close. And then you can power on the device, and it will be ready to go again.